How to delete my AI from Snapchat. Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete my AI from your Snapchat and how you can remove the chatbot from your Snapchat. So let's get into the video. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to open your Snapchat, and then the my AI is available in the plus subscription, which is available when you go on to here. You can see that this is Snapchat Plus. So my AI is available when you buy the subscription for Snapchat Plus, and this you can say it is a kind of a chatbot. It is an AI modulated chatbot that happens to appear on the top of all of your chats, and Snapchat has not given you any option to remove that from your chat list if you want to after buying your Snapchat Plus. So let's say I am not subscribed right now, so that's why I don't have my AI. But if you do, you can not remove that's for sure. But there are a couple of things that you can do in order to minimize it. What you can do is when you open a specific friendship like this and you go into the chat settings, you have an option to clear from chat feed. You can do that with it, and you can also delete the chats, and you can turn on the notification sound so that when the chatbot texts you, or if they want to interact with you, you won't even receive a notification. It seems like they doesn't just exist. And what you can do is you cannot text them first handedly because it only texts back when you interact with it. So you can also ignore it from like that as well. And when you open a friendship like this and you see your manage friendship, click on that, you get an option of block, report, or remove a friend. But when you are using my AI, it only gives you the option of editing the name, so that's why you cannot exactly get it away. So what you can do is you can just remove the chats, or you can go on to these three lines. You can go on to your settings, and you are going to find some kind of cached data, or the data that has already been, like you can see contact me, you have email, location, memories, lenses. In here you are going to find an option of privacy policy. You can find the clear cache and clear conversation, search history, etc. You can do all of that, and you can renew your Snapchat, and that's possible. It may just erase your my AI. So these are some couple of things that you can do in order to try to remove my AI. Other than that, there is no fixing solution. There is no permanent removal of my AI right now that Snapchat has offered. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.